Alright guys, welcome back to Carolina Outdoors. Got you another firework demo video here. So if you remember, it's been probably several weeks to a month ago. If you go back into my videos, I did a firework demo on an artillery shell kit I picked up at Area 51 Fireworks, and it was their Alien brand artillery shells. So I got some comments, about doing some more of these ball shells. So right here, these are some that I picked up, I think maybe last year. These are the Boom Shakalaka by Mega Banger, and so this is what comes in that little kit. We've got these 12 balls, and we have a cardboard plastic base. Looks like 12 inches. One thing that I've noticed right off the bat, guys, and I'm going to show you this, and like I said, you can go back and look into the other video. I think the name of that video was Fireworks with Friends. So we're going to be basically comparing some of these shell kits. Like I said, the Boom Shakalaka here by Mega Banger, and the other one was the Alien brand by Area 51. So right here, if you look, I can already tell that this lift charge on this artillery shell, I don't think it's as big as the Alien brands. The Alien brands, I think they were a little bit longer. But, we'll just have to see how that goes. So, right over here, this is another SFX by Superior Fireworks. And this is their show line, and the titanium willows. This is a pro style. I'm not sure why they call it artillery shell, because as you can see right here, these are 4-inch canister shells. But I know that this is in their pro line, so I'll get you some shots here of your performance. And I do believe that these pictures are correct, because we did the Minecraft by SFX, and those pictures, they were really close. So I'm expecting the same thing. There's your 3, and this is a 6 shell kit, guys. Okay, and let me jump back over here to this artillery shell kit or ball shell kit, because this actually does have some pictures on it for performance. This thing doesn't want to focus good. I'm in the motel again. I'm out of town at work, but we're going to be going back over to Doc's place and enjoying these. If these are the actual effects on this, those look like they're really nice breaks. If that's the correct pictures. Don't know about this kit, but like I said, on the SFX, on that Minecraft, they were really close. So, you only have 6 on these here. This thing doesn't want to focus, but it does give you what type of shell it is. Yeah, this thing just does not want to focus. I'm sorry. But anyway, that's titanium willow with green strobe. So, yeah, and right here, last but not least, I think we'll use this as like a finale. This is, I picked this up at Shelton Fireworks probably a couple of years ago. And I set it out at a couple of shows, and it's just never gotten lit, guys. The last time the pyro guy, I think he just missed it that I had working out in the field. But as you can see right here, Shelton Fireworks. This is one of their in-house brands, and this is a boxed NOAB, guys. But this one, I believe, has these are 2-inch shots or tubes in here. They're not 3-inch, but sometimes these 2-inch NOABs, they're pretty impressive. So it says 9 loud big brakes. So yeah, alternating red, green, and gold with whistle. So there's your, God, I can't, it won't focus, y'all. I can't read that brand, but it is one of Shelton Fireworks brands. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of do a follow-up on these artillery shells slash ball shells, and I think I'm going to be doing several of these kits, and I'll let you guys be the judge of them. So this will be the second one. Like I said, the first was on the Area 51 Reaper's Doom shells. So scroll back and take a look at that, and maybe tomorrow, depending on the weather, we'll get out to Doc's place and we'll set these off, and you guys can leave it in the comments on, you know, what shell kit you think is best. But yeah, these are what we're really focusing in on. These are like the titanium willows here. This is just like something we can enjoy. And this 500 gram 9-shot 2-inch NOAB called Venom. So yeah, so we'll get back with you, and when we get out to the shoot site, and we'll set all these off. So thanks for being here, guys. We'll see you at the shoot site. All right, the Boom Shakalaka ball shells. Yep. Yeah, it's not bad. Got good symmetrical brakes. These are the SFX Titanium Willows by Superior Fireworks. Yeah, that's all the way out of frame here. Okay, we got the Noab, 2-inch Noab by Shelton Fireworks. Hey guys, so thank you for taking your time to watch our firework night. I certainly had fun, and I was almost speechless about the artillery shells by Mega Banger. Right here, the Boom Shakalaka. And your pictures, guys, I'll have to say it, they're pretty accurate. Most all of these shells broke in pretty much a symmetrical break. I didn't think they would perform as good as the Reaper's Doom ball shells from Area 51. They're close, guys. They are really, really close as far as the height, as you saw in the video. And like I said, I'm going to be doing a few of these artillery shells kits. And if you will, go back, find my video, Fireworks with Friends, and that's where we actually do the Reaper's Doom artillery shells. So what I want everybody to do, or I'm asking everybody to do, go back and watch that. Then skip to this video here. Compare the two. The Reaper's Doom, Boom Shakalaka. Leave it in the comments, because what I'm thinking about doing here, guys, is letting you guys choose, because my next show will probably be this upcoming 4th of July. So I'm going to be doing some things here. I'll probably do 3, 4, maybe 5 of these artillery shell kits, and I want you guys to vote on it. Leave it in the comments of what you think is the best. and that's what we'll use in our next show. So, and I think the next shell kit right here is going to be the Futurama ball shells. Okay, I'm corrected again. Artillery shells by Raccoon Fireworks. This is going to be some of their pictures. And guys, this kit better perform, because I always talk up Raccoon Fireworks, so they better perform. So, you remember when I was in the motel the other night and I couldn't get the camera to focus, and this was our excuse me guys, this was our 2-inch NOAB by Shelton Fireworks. That was the last one that we set off, and I couldn't read this label here, so I'll let you see it. And I was finally able to read it. The brand is called Black Avenger, and if you can, that's their label. But it's still a Shelton in-house brand. They have different people, I think, that make their brands, because right there, as you can see, Shelton Fireworks, and the name of it is called Venom, and it said big brakes, and it was very, very big brakes. So yeah, I couldn't be more happier with those Boom Shakalaka shells by Mega Banger. Like I said, speechless. I mean, they were, I just didn't expect it. So, you know, I've been wrong plenty of times. So, but yeah, I've decided that that's what we're going to do. And yeah, I'm just asking for everybody to leave their comments, and however you want to do it in the comments. So far, we have, like I said, we have the Reaper's Doom, Boom Shakalaka. If you want to leave it in the comments with either one, thumbs up, however you want to do it. So, yeah, once again, thank you for being here, and we're going to be doing some other firework demos, and it's just something we like to do. And we are going to, I think, I'm talking to my friend Doc, and I think we're going to be doing a video, or just to get together and shoot some sporting clays. So we'll bring you along for that also. And but yeah, I'm just trying to mix a lot of this stuff up, guys. My brain is going like 100 different directions, and I just kind of have to focus in, like, okay, Tim, let's take one thing one at a time. So, but yeah, and I apologize that my brain is going all over the place, but you know, I have a lot of things that I want to share, but we will get there in time. I mean, it's just, maybe I have ADD or something. But yeah, thank you guys for being here and taking your time to hang out with us. But yeah, the competition is on. So yeah, email me, Carolina Outdoors 1, and that's the number 1 at gmail.com, or just leave it in the comments on what artillery shell kit you like best. There's no right or wrong, it's just what you like best. And I'm going to total everything out, and after we finish everything, and that will be what you see in the 4th of July show. So once again, Thanks for being here, and we'll catch you on the next one.